Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Xbox power supply. It is not powering on. Let's see how we can fix it. It is 115 volt operated. If you don't have good practical experience in power electronics, never try to repair because it have live electrical voltage inside. I applied power, but it have no indication. AC voltage, I have 107 volts, so it must turn on. Let's open it. We can see this capacitor is damaged. If you see, this end is negative and this end is positive, so we will take care for the polarity. It is 330 microfarad for 200 volts. Now if this capacitor is damaged, we will verify MOSFET, bridge rectifier and fuse, primary side components. Here it is using TNY277. Set multimeter to continuity. We will check between drive pin of this IC. It is not short circuit. Now we will check MOSFET here. MOSFET is also safe. This end is negative. At negative we will place red lead, set multimeter to diode. At negative terminal place red lead. Check at AC input terminal of the bridge rectifier. One diode, the second diode. At capacitor negative terminal black lead, AC input terminal of bridge rectifier, it is safe. Place black lead at positive terminal of capacitor, input terminal, input terminal. That means bridge rectifier is also safe. This fuse is open circuit. Now from the bridge rectifier AC input terminal, this line is reaching here. From here inductors, EMI filters, and it is reaching here. The second AC input terminal, it is reaching here. It is reaching here at this point of the fuse, but it is not passing to AC input terminal. So that means this fuse is damaged. So we need 6.3 ampere fuse. We need to use a standard value fuse which is recommended by the manufacturer, 6.3 ampere to 50 volts. Okay, it is 370 micro. Take care for the polarity. If you will connect capacitor in reverse polarity, polar capacitor will damage immediately. Now I will apply power and then we will check its results. Yes, the orange light is now turned on. That means its standby section is now turned on. We will check voltage between ground and left inner pin. If you place in this way, that cut is here, this inner pin will have 5 volts. This is standby section. Now this section started working. This inner pin is giving voltage, that means standby section is now turned on. That is, this TNY277, this transformer, rectifier, this capacitor and the main section don't have any output. When we will make jumper between this pin and this pin, it will provide ground here and this center ring will provide 12 volt. And this light will shift to green. Yes, this light is now turned green. This section is now turned on. Before this section, but now this section plus this section, both sections are now working. Now we will check voltage between outer ring and here inner ring. 12.28. Now we will check its short circuit test. We will make jumper between outer ring and inner ring. This light will shift to red. Yes. Now the light is red. This output is 4.3 volt now. Standby section is down. And there is no main output. Now I turned it off and again power on, so it will start in orange LED in standby section. Now if I will make jumper, it will shift to green light. That means this section is now active. 12 volt section is now working. Yes, and if there is short circuit condition, it will move to protection mode. Light will become red. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.